Hello darlings, welcome back to the Crafty channel. If you are new to this channel, you are highly welcome. If you are my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you so much. So today's video is going to be the sewing tutorial of the long fitted skirt with both contour I drafted in my previous video. If you want to learn how I cut and sew this pattern, the link is in the right corner on the screen. Click and watch, and also I'll be leaving the link in the description for you to go and watch. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into the video. These are the two patterns cut on the fabric. This is African fabric I'm using. So I cut the front block and the back block on the fabric. So starting with the front block, I folded my fabric in half, then I added half an inch on the waistline for joining of the band to the skirt, and on the side I added 2 inches for the side seam allowance. That's for the sewing allowance. And on the bottom of the skirt I added 2 inches for hemming allowance. And this cut on fold, so I'll be removing the pins for you to see how it looks. So this is it. It's a dartless skirt. So this is the front piece, folded in half. When I open it, this is how it looks. You can see it. So we'll put the front piece aside. This is the back block of the skirt, and also I added half an inch to the waist for joining of the band to the skirt, and on the side I added 2 inches all the way to the hemline, and on the zipper line I mark 1.5 inch all the way to the hemline. I took 9 inches length for the zipper, so you can see it. So let me remove the pins to see how it looks. And this is on fold. It's 2 pieces. The back is 2 pieces. The back is 2 pieces. You can see that. You can see the zipper line. So this is it. We are going to start sewing. So what I'll do, I'll sew on this line. I'll sew with a loose stitch and end here. Then I'll sew with the tight stitch here. And then the back is having slit. I'm going to slit the back. So from this line, I'll run also a loose stitch to the end of the skirt, because after sewing, I'll lose the zipper line to fix the zipper here, and also I'll lose also this loose stitch to open the slit for the back. So I'll go and do that and then come back and show you how to join the skirt. So as you can see, I'm done joining the 2 back pieces together. You can see the back. You can see that bolt effect at the back. You can see how the back is. You see? So this is it. So let me turn it to the good side for you to see. You can see the bolt effect, you see. So this is our 2 back pieces. So you can see how the back look like. This is the center back. You see the shape? That's the bolt at the back. You see? So this is how the pattern look like. So this is the front piece, and I'm going to place the back piece, the right side facing the right side of the back piece. And I will be shaping it with the 2 inches allowance I left on the sides. You know, I left 2 inches for the sewing allowance on the sides when cutting it on the fabric. But on the pattern, I didn't leave any allowance. I added all the allowances here on the fabric. So you can see. So there are 2 ways of shaping the skirt. You can either use the 2 inches allowance, the 2 inches on both sides, all the way to the hemline. So this is the second method. You take your tape and measure around your waist, and whatever you have, you divide it by 2, because now it's folded into 2, not 4. My waist is 39 divided by 2 is 19.5 inches. Place your tape like this and then measure to get your 19.5 inches. After getting your 19.5 inches, the remaining allowance, you measure it and then you divide it by 2. You place 1 on this side and one on the other side. But what I'm going to do is to use that 2 inches allowance on the sides, and I'll get it exact. I will shape it with the 2 inches all the way down the hemline on both sides. Then I'll come and show you the next thing to do. So guys, this is how our skirt look after shaping it. You can see this is the front part of the skirt, and this fabric is not joined into 2, it has 2 patterns. I forgot to explain to you about that. So this is the back side of the skirt. You can see that the back is more puffy than the front. So this is our butt contour area. You can see it's more than the front. So guys, if you watch up to this time and find this tutorial helpful, please do well by giving this video a huge thumbs up, and also subscribe if you've not done so. Thank you. I will take my seam ripper to open the zipper part. So guys, I've opened down the zipper line. You can see it. What I'll do now is to open the slit at the back and show you. So after opening it, this is how it looks. You can see how beautiful and neat inside is. Please, you can open the slit to your desired length. So this is 21. You can open it to your desired length. So what I'll do now is to fix the zip. I don't have a short zip. I have this longer one, but I'll cut it. So after fixing the zip, I will fix the band. So to fix the band, so I will measure all around the waist. After measuring it, I got 44 inches. So I already cut the band. I want 1.5 inch height for the band. I cut it 4 inches by 44 inches. 4 inches by 44 inches. So I'll go and fix the band to the skirt. After fixing the band, I'll go ahead and fix the zip, and then come back and show you the next thing to do. So guys, this is our skirt. I'm done attaching the zipper to it. You can see how neat it looks. So what I'll do now is to take it to my machine and then hem the down part with 1 inch. Initially I left 1.5 inch for the hemming allowance, but I used half inch for the weaving. After folding the 1 inch, I will then use my hemming gum to hem the slits. Hope you can see it. I'll use my hemming gum like this, place it inside like this, and iron it to hem the 2 parts, and do the same thing to the other side. Then I will come and show you the finishing look. So guys, this is the finishing look on my body. Hope you like it. It's so beautiful, and you can see the back side, how it fits at the butt area. Very beautiful. So thank you for watching, and don't miss out on my next video. Like, subscribe, and share my videos. Thank you. Bye.